thank you so much kay Stala for the successful wedding event. So, of course, we would like to mention our beautiful coordinators, Miss Jen, Miss JM, and our wedding planner, Mr. JM, Mr. Morbin, and for Miss Jessa. So, thank you so much for helping us all throughout the day. Madami naging problem, but then their team, they're able to resolve all of our problems and less stressful talaga. Kaya sobrang trusted. Thank you so much, Stala. Hindi kami nagkamali na kumuha kami dito ng package kasi lahat kayo na nag-asikaso from day one. So, thank you so much.
Sabi niya, yung tao, very accommodating. At saka very helpful, yung mga staff. So, lalo. At saka, yung sa food po, masarap po talaga siya yung mga luto niya. At saka, yun, from start to end, maganda yung venue. Yung venue, maganda talaga eh. Napaka-elegant. And then, bagay na bagay talaga sa mga yung mga nagbabalak magpakasal na kung gusto man nila makatipid na elegante yung dating ng kanilang event. Stala ay highly recommend. Stala.
Thank you so much.